everybody, Teacher Jill here. Last week we had Sally help us learn some listening rules and she's back. Hi everybody! Hi Sally, we're glad you're back. I learned the listening rules last time. That's right. Do you want to practice them? We learned the way our bodies help us listen. Okay, ready? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voice is quiet, and body's calm. Nice job. I have a surprise to show you. A surprise? I love surprises. I want to see. Okay, Sally, I can see you're really excited, but we need to have you use the listening rules before we open the box. Okay. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voice is quiet, and body's calm. Nice job, Sally. Let's see what's in the box. I wonder what's in here. Oh, I know how it works. Look at this. This is an attenta-scope. When I hold it to my eyes, it helps me pay close attention or focus on the things that are important. It shuts out the things that could take my attention away. You can make your own attenta-scope with your hands. I'm focusing my attention on Sally. I don't see anything else. You can take your hands down and put away your pretend attenta-scope and keep looking with your eyes. My eyes are still on Sally. You can turn on your own pretend attention scope whenever you need to focus your attention. And parents, I made this with tubes of toilet paper rolls, some tape, holes in the side, and string. And you can use them to focus your attention whenever you need to. Bye everybody. Thanks.